Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Can you really have too many long sleeve t-shirts? I think not. That's why I really love this awesome long sleeve shirt from Beluring. This is a really beautiful basic t-shirt, but I'm really impressed with the quality. You can see the fine detailing around the neckline with that stitching. It has a wonderful serged hem, so you know it's going to stay nice and safe and not come apart. The material on this t-shirt is a polyester cotton spandex mix, so it's really nice and warm and great for layering. Do you want to wear this with a t-shirt, with leggings, with a cardigan, or in a dressy outfit with a jacket? Well, you have lots of options with this great long sleeve shirt. It's dressy enough that you can look great when you layer under something professional, or you can have a casual look with your jeans. I really like that this t-shirt is nice and comfy feeling, and it also has washed really well when I put it through the washer and line dried it. They have so many awesome colors. I would definitely go for all of them, and I'm really impressed with the quality of this great t-shirt. But that's just my point of view.